డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈరోజు నేను మీకు సెట్స్లో సమ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. సమ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ ఇన్ సెట్స్. నెంబర్ 1, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Number 2, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus A. 3, n of A union B is equal to n of A minus B plus n of B. Next one, n of A union B is equal to n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B plus n of B minus A. Fifth one, n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Sixth one, n of A delta B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus 2n of A intersection B. N of pi is equal to 0. Eighth one, n of set pi is equal to 1. Ninth one, A minus B intersection B minus A is equal to pi. 10th one, A intersection B is equal to pi, A set subset B and B subset A. A intersection B is equal to pi. Then ఏమవుతుందట, A subset B and B subset A. Next one is equal to, if A subset B, then B dash subset A dash. If A union B is equal to pi, then A is equal to pi and B is equal to pi. Next one, if A subset B, B subset C, then A subset C. This is transitive property. A subset A union B is equal to B intersection B. A union B is equal to A intersection B. That implies and implied A is equal to B. Remember 15. If A subset B, then A union of B minus A is equal to B. A subset B and B subset A implies A is equal to B. This is called anti-symmetric theorem. Anti-symmetric theorem. Okay, these are the some important points. Now we are going to learn about laws of algebra of sets. Laws of algebra of sets. In these laws of algebra of sets, we have 7 laws. They are idempotent laws, associative laws, commutative laws, distributive laws, identity laws, complementary laws, and De Morgan laws. Number 1, idempotent laws. Idempotent laws means A union A is equal to A intersection A is equal to A. Associative laws. Associative laws shown as like this: A union B union C is equal to A union of B union C. A intersection B of intersection C is equal to A intersection of B intersection C. Commutative laws: A union B is equal to B union A. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Distributive laws: A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection B A union C. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Next, identity laws. A union pi is equal to A intersection mu is equal to A. Complement laws ఏంటంటే A union A dash is equal to mu. A intersection A dash is equal to pi. A dash whole dash is equal to A. Mu dash is equal to pi. Pi dash is equal to mu. De Morgan laws ఏంటంటే A union B dash is equal to A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. These are the laws of algebraic of sets. Algebraic sets లో ఉన్నటువంటి laws. Next, we are going to learn about some Venn diagrams. You see here we drawn 6 Venn diagrams. Number 1, A union B. A union B Venn diagram like this. This is universal set, and in this universal set we have 2 sets A, B. A union B means the addition A set and B set means like this. So we will show in Venn diagram. The second one is A intersection B. A intersection B means in the universal set we have A and B are 2 sets, and in these 2 sets A intersection B we will write like this. These are the common elements. These are the common elements point. And the third one is A minus B. A minus B means only the elements have in A but not in B. And B minus A, only the elements have in B but not in A. So mu dash is equal to only the elements have in universe set but not in A. A intersection B. Next one, last one is A intersection B union B intersection C union A intersection C union A intersection C. Like this, in universal set we have to take 3 sets A, B, C. A intersection B means the common elements belongs in middle, and B intersection C will common elements belongs to BC, and C intersection A intersection C common elements belongs to A intersection C. Now these 3 sets have union. So in the middle of the union will also come into these 3 sets. Okay, this is the Venn diagram, some Venn diagrams in the sets. Okay, now some symbols. Now some symbols we have to learn what are they means. Number 1, pi. How can we read the symbols? Some symbols we have to read like this. Pi, this is pi. Pi means belongs to, like this, belongs to. And does not belongs to, this one does not belongs to, like this, does not belongs to. And subset, this is subset. And not a subset, this is not a subset. And union, this is union. Intersection, this is intersection. And implies, this is implies. This is if and only if, like this, if and only if. We will read like implies and implied. If and only if also we will read. Okay, these are the some symbols how to read in sets, and some and also some Venn diagrams, how to we draw Venn diagrams, and laws of algebra of sets. Laws of algebra sets have 7 laws in sets, and some important points. We have 16 some important points. These are the very important to all the Polytechnic and all the TSRJC, APSRJC students, and also these sets useful for every student in their life. So hence I will tell you, dear స్టూడెంట్స్, మీరు వీటిని బాగా చదివి నేర్చుకొని తర్వాత సెట్స్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్లో నేర్చుకుందాం. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే మరి వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ఇంకా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ మరి షేర్ చేసి మరి అందరు కూడా మరి ఈ వీడియోలను చూస్తూ ఉన్నట్లయితే నాకు ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. నేను ఇంకా పార్ట్స్గా ఇంకా సీరియల్గా చేసుకుంటూ నేను వెళ్తాను. కాబట్టి మీరు మరి వీటిని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి అండ్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి అండ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్.